Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making creamy prawn Alfredo on a budget. This will cost you only £5 guys, and maybe even less if you have some of these ingredients in your cupboard already. So whether you're looking to tighten your budget, get prepared for uni, or just looking for meals that you can make in under 30 minutes, this is the channel for you. So why not follow along, make a jot of the shopping list, and let's do this together. First we'll start by filling a saucepan with water. Bring this to a boil, take it down to a simmer, add your salt and your fettuccine. Cook as per packet instructions. We're looking for al dente. Perfect. Remove any excess moisture from your prawns and season. Black pepper, paprika, salt and chili if you like that extra kick. Stir to combine. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to your pan and add in your prawns. These are really small. You only need a couple of minutes on each side. Remove your prawns from the pan and start to prepare your onion. Peel, slice and dice. Add a nub of butter to your pan and sprinkle in those onions. Cook on a low heat until sautéed. Add your garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Almost there guys. Add in 80 milliliters of wine and cook until evaporated. Add in your sour cream. Keep it very low here guys, we don't want that cream to curdle, and season if necessary. Add in your fettuccine, your prawns, and mix to combine. Add in some parsley, some parmesan, and you're all ready to serve. Doesn't that look amazing? And that's it guys, easy, simple and under 30 minutes. Oh, and don't forget, only £5. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!